Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya'S creation, and today's video is very special because it's a DIY video. And so yeah, let me tell you one thing, that from next onwards you will see this backdrop at behind myself. Okay, so that blue backdrop, you have to forget that. So today's video is a DIY video, as I told you earlier, and most of the people who know me also knows that I'm a big Harry Potter fan and a true Potterhead. I love to make Harry Potter crafts. I love to read Harry Potter books. I have all the 7 books stored in my house of Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling, and also I love to play Harry Potter games too. So today's video is inspired by Harry Potter themed, and today's topic is DIY calendar house banner. So if you have ever read Harry Potter book or watched any Harry Potter movie, you know that Hogwarts is a school of witchcraft and wizardry, and there are 4 houses in Hogwarts. First is Gryffindor, second is Ravenclaw, third is Hufflepuff, and the fourth is Slytherin. So I'm sorted in Ravenclaw, where all the clever minds are being on Pottermore, and so I thought to make a house banner for my house pride. So I researched on Google and YouTube, and I watched some videos about that, making how to make house banners, and I saw that most of the people make house banner with cloth felt. So if you live in any Indian household, so it's very difficult to find that specific color and pattern of cotton cloth, or you can say cloth felt. So I thought to make my own Hogwarts banner from old calendar pages. So yeah, that is the video about. So let's see it. So you have to take your house, Hogwarts house crest or badge or sign, you can say. You have to print it out in a large A4 sheet in large size. Okay, like for example, my house is Ravenclaw, so I have printed the Ravenclaw's emblem on a piece of paper in big size. The next step is so I hope you like this best out of waste DIY by creating old calendar pages that we usually throw in dustbins. And there are 2 ways to hang this calendar house banner. First is as a whole calendar intro, like you can take any new calendar of your year, that this year is going on 2020. So you can take any calendar of 2020 and paint the first page, the intro page, with black paint, and put that Ravenclaw sign or any house sign of your favorite Hogwarts house, and you can just display it like that, and you can turn over the pages to see from your calendar, or you can just tear up that page and take a double-sided tape and stick it in your wall in front of your study table. So that can be like a Hogwarts house pride representation. So yeah, I hope you like this DIY calendar house banner, and if you like this, please give it a big thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family members. And also, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, because I upload different types of videos. I upload art and craft, DIY, cooking videos, and things to do videos, and many more types of vlogs and all on every Tuesday 5 p.m. Also click that bell icon so you never miss a video from my channel. I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.